Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to do about convergent and divergent. So for this one we can use about comparison test. So we know that the star at n equals to number 1. So we know that n plus 1 is greater than n. So if we put this one into the fraction, they will be go in this way. Now we multiply Ln of n plus 1 for the both sides. And then we can put the summation. Now we need to consider this one. So for this one we can use about integral test. So I will put the integration from number 1 to positive infinity. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to Ln of s plus 1. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Next we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1, so I will put number 1 gone here, and you got about u equals to Ln number 2. So when s approaches to positive infinity, that means u will go to positive infinity. This one we change for number 2. This one we keep the same. Ln number 2. So this one we change for u. The s over s plus number 1 we change for the u. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of u, and we put the bounds from Ln number 2 to positive infinity. So in this one, when we put positive infinity gone here, this one will go to positive infinity. This one we have the value Ln of Ln number 2. So that means this one they go to positive infinity. So that is about divergent. Because this one divergent, that means this one should be divergent. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.